Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of UI full stack web development, we are in the topic HTML, and in the last video, we have seen how to the structure of HTML file and the use of HTML. And by using HTML, we can develop static web pages. And in the last video, even we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code and how to develop a HTML file in Visual Studio Code and how to open that file in the browser. In this video, we'll go with how to create headings and paragraphs using HTML. Let us see the topic here, creating headings. In order to create headings, in HTML, we are having totally 6 tags. We can use H1 to H6 tags for creating headings in HTML. In this one, when we use H1 tag, this is the bigger size, big size, and H6 is small size. H6 is for small size. Now, let us understand this with the example code. Let us go with the example. Open Visual Studio Code, and we have opened this folder HTML programs in the Visual Studio Code. Whenever we want to create a new HTML file, click here, click on this new file. Now let us go with the name heading.html. Now, how to get the boilerplate code? Simply type what? Exclamation and press enter key, where we get the complete HTML boilerplate code. The complete structure of HTML we are going to get over here. And let us change the title over here, heading example. In the body section, in the body tag, here we use H1, and I'll say this is heading 1. Heading 1. Heading 2, H2 tag, this is heading 2. Heading 2. So when we say this H1, it's the open tag, and this slash H1 we call closing tag. And complete, if you take this complete, means open tag and close tag, and with some content inside, then we call it as what? HTML element. We call it as HTML element. What is the meaning of HTML element? Open tag, close tag with some content inside the tag, then we call HTML element. Now let us go with the headings. H3, this is heading 3. H4, this is heading 4. H5, this is heading 5. And H6, this is heading 6. Right? Let us save this file, or you can even go with the option file auto save. Then the file will get saved automatically while typing only. Now how to open this file in the browser? Right click and say open in default browser. So how to get this option I have elaborated in the last video when we have seen Visual Studio Code. Now see, we are getting the headings. Heading 1, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, heading 6. So heading 1 is in big size, heading 6 in small size. Now I want to make this content to be center aligned. To make it the content to be center aligned, we can use the tag center. When we use the tag center, then the complete content will be center aligned. This complete content will be center aligned. See, if you refresh your page, because already the file is open, if you refresh your page, the content will come in center aligned. And see the title, heading example. Now we want to give some background color for your web page. Then here we go with the attribute BG color. BG color we call it as an attribute. I'm going with the BG color as something like yellow. And the text color we want to go with something like red. The text color we want to go with red. Now once we save it or auto save it is, now if you refresh your page, see the background color is coming yellow and the content is coming in red color. So in this one, this beachy color we call it as attribute and this yellow is the value. Text is an attribute and red is the value. So what we have seen, the heading tags H1 to H6 are heading tags, and in that H1 is the big size and H6 is small size. And we have seen one more tag, center tag, used to align the text, the content of web page as center aligned, as center. Then body, beachy color equal to yellow, text equal to red. What is the use of this tag? That sets the background color, of web page as yellow, with the text color as red. So that's about heading tags and center tag and body attributes like page color and text attribute. Now let us go with one more tag here, creating paragraphs. One more concept, creating paragraphs. In order to create the paragraphs, we use the tag p tag. P tag is used to create paragraphs. To create what? Paragraphs. Then using p tag, we can align the text. To left. This is the default alignment. Center and right using align attribute. We can make use of align attribute to align the text to left, center, or right. Now, let us go with the example code on this. You can create a new text file. New file here. I'm going with the name paragraph.html. Now get the boilerplate code. Type exclamation and press enter key. Okay, let me go with the title as paragraph example. In the body tag, use the p tag and we'll say this is paragraph 1. One more paragraph. This is paragraph 2. One more paragraph. This is paragraph 3. Now open this file in browser, right click and say open in default browser. See, we are getting the paragraphs. When we go with headings and paragraphs, it is automatic line break. We get automatic line break. No need to use the BR tag to break the line. Now, by default, when you go with paragraph tag, the content is what? Left aligned. The content is left aligned. Now we want to make this paragraph to be center aligned. Then we use the align attribute. Align attribute equal to center. Then paragraph 3, we want to make it right aligned. Then use the align attribute and say right. Once we open in browser or refresh your page, since the file is already opened, you can just refresh your page. See, paragraph is coming in left aligned by default. Paragraph 2 is center aligned and paragraph 3 is right aligned. Right? So what we have seen in this video, we have seen about the heading tags. We are having H1 to H6 are the heading tags. H1 is the bigger size and H6 is the smaller size. And the next one, paragraph tag. By using p tag, we can create the paragraphs. And we can even align the text to left, center, and right by using align attribute. By default, the alignment will be center. Right? So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.